Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I will talk about special secret Fibonacci level. As you know, you can choose to draw Fibonacci levels on your MetaTrader chart. And for example, you can pick previous low, find a high, and monitor all kind of the levels. However, all these levels that you can see right now on the chart are standard levels. Expect one of them. Let me see what I'm talking about. Here, when you choose Object, Fibonacci level, and go to Fib levels, you can add yourself additional levels. Here, I added one very important secret level, and this is the level 0.886. 0.886 is one of the very common levels that price can reach before touching support or resistance. This is the final level where if the price doesn't break this level, usually we'll try to find new low, new high. And I want just to tell you how to add this. So you just go here, add, you put it 0.886, put description, and this is it. So it's very easy to add 886 level. So right now, for example, on 6th October, we had one very low, and what I wanted is to draw the Fibonacci levels from this low to the high, and the high was October 12. As you can see, price after October 12 just started to go down and down and down in one moment, almost to the pip. As you can see right here, at the price 0.1.05, the price just didn't break and the price started to go up. So as you can see, this level can be very, very strong. And I like to use it on 4-hour charts and daily charts. So I would just give example on daily chart. So let me go to the British pound dollar. I would just go a little bit like this. And what I will do, I will find the lowest low, it was October 4, and I will try to find the highest high, like this, and voila, look this, to the pip. So please watch this. To the pip, the lowest point was on October 26, 1.2074. Can you believe that I created a pending order? Just wait for this price here. And I didn't, it was just to show you, it was around, I think it was a midnight, yes, and I wasn't present there. I just put it one pending buy order. I set the stop loss here, 40 pips below. And what's happened? Just in that moment, price started to go up, 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 up. And it was really, really crazy. And it is the first time that I just had a drawdown zero pips, because it was a perfect trade. I just enter in the buy trade perfectly without any pip drawdown. And because of this level that I use last 10 years, I wanted to share you this knowledge so you can add this, and very often you can use this as a last price level before price started to break the low or the highest high. So please add this level in your Fibonacci retracement. Think about this level. I think that this level can be very beneficial, as same as a 50%, 38.6%, etc. But this percentage is really the last chance to keep the trend, and I hope that you will use this in trading. So this is it. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.